Alright, language explorers. So, let's look at some jokes in British English ASMR. The safe was invented by a cop and a robber. It was quite a combination. Did you hear about the human cannonball? Too bad he got fired. Went to the corner shop today. Bought 4 corners. What's brown and sticky? A stick. Where did the college-age vampire like to shop? Forever 21. My son screeched, Dad. You haven't listened to one word I've said, have you? What a strange way to start a conversation. What do you call a sheep with no legs? A cloud. Why did the Clydesdale give the pony a glass of water? Because he was a little horse. I gave all my dead batteries away today, free of charge. Can February march? Can February march? No. But April May? April May? Have you heard about the new movie Constipation? No? That's because it never came out. Have you heard of the new movie Constipation? No? Because it never came out. I used to work at a hairdresser. But I just wasn't cut out for it. I wasn't cut out for it. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.